Hi everyone, this is Jay and welcome to another episode of Car DIYs. For today's video, we're diving into one of the most common car issue, what to do when your car's cigarette lighter or the 12-volt socket has no power. No? So this is just very simple, so let's go. So to verify that the cigarette lighter isn't receiving any power, so I have here a light tester, no, that illuminates when there is power. So we will try. So just in the positive terminal, which is located at the center of the outlet, no? So as you can see, no power received, no? So this confirms that the power source is the culprit, no? Why we don't have power in the cigarette lighter. So the next thing that we are going to check is the fuse, no? So we can use the manual, no, to check in what location is the fuse for the cigarette lighter located, because there are actually two fuse boxes, no? The one in the hood and also the one in the dashboard. So using the manual, no, so we can check on the table of contents, do it yourself maintenance, and see where is the replacement of the fuses located. So in the page 341 here, no. So checking and replacing fuses. So as mentioned, there are two compartments to where the fuse boxes are located. So I already have an idea that it is located in the dashboard or in the instrument panel. No? So we'll go directly onto that portion. So this one. So we'll just simply look on the cigarette lighter, no, on the circuit definition. Fuse number 19, power outlet number 1 with 15 amperes capacity. So power outlet of cigarette lighter. So this is the one that we are going to replace. So to remove this one, in order to not damage the panel cover, so we will use a special tool. So this is a car pry tool. Okay, so this is now removed. So this is what it looks like inside. There is the fuse box. So we will determine from the manual which is the for the cigarette lighter. So it is fuse number 19. So that there was what? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one from the right. So let's see. Fifth one, that is 15 amperes. No, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one, the blue one. So we will remove the blue one and check if it is already defective. So we can use a long nose plier to pull that fuse. No? So the blue one, so just simply pull. Okay. So I have here a multimeter, no? So we can check the continuity of the fuse, no? So set the tester to continuity. Then the tester's probe should be placed on both ends, no? So if it's okay, so there should be a continuity, no? So as you can see, there's none. So the fuse is blown out. So this is already a defective fuse. So we will replace this one. So I have here a complete set of fuses, no? So this is for emergency purposes. So we'll get a 15 amperes, no? So it's color blue. So by the way, the fuses are color coded based on their ampere rating. So we'll get one uh, new. So we will also check if the fuse is good, no, before we install, no. So we'll check the continuity again. So there must be a beeping sound or a continuity. So as you can see, uh, the new fuse is good. So we will now install this one. So to install the new fuse, no, so we'll just simply uh, push inside, no, the slot. There, no? So we'll just have to push that one. Okay, no? So we already have replaced our fuse. So we will now test if the cigarette has now a power. So we will power up the car in accessories mode, no? And we can use again our light tester to see if there is already a power, no? So just place the lead to the. So that's all, and thank you everyone for watching. So I hope that you have something learned from the video, and I hope that you're gonna like and subscribe to this channel for more DIY videos. So thank you everyone.